We have new images of the second ceramic variant of the Galaxy S10 and it looks hot. Apparently Apple is working on a foldable smartphone in their own way, for next year it seems, and Google will reportedly launch their Pixel Watch this year to compete with the Apple Watch. I'm Jaime Rivera and, we celebrated yesterday, and we're going to celebrate some more today. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Walmart currently has the iPhone SE for crazy price tags like $250 and $140 depending on the color that you pick. But obviously there is a catch. You have to grab Walmart's new sort of MVNO service. I'm trying to grasp my head over what the product is. They also have deals for like the G7 and the V40. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about Huawei as, the company's CEO and their president of Europe pretty much just came on record to state that they're working very hard to reach the top sales in smartphones for the world. According to them, they are on track to defeat Samsung next year. They haven't provided a timeline as to when, but they plan to sell a crazy 300 million units by 2020. That's crazy. Obviously, even with all the issues that have been going on legally all around, I wonder how that's going to play off. Now, for those of you wondering exactly why Google acquired a certain portion of Fossil, there are reports that the company is working on having a revamp to the Google Home and then a very complete revamp to their whole wearable approach to the business. We should see that by the launch of the next Pixels, which should happen somewhere around the fall of 2019. Whatever the case may be, Google, I hope your watch actually gets the software right. Now let's talk about Apple, because aside from the fact that that watch from Google will compete with the Apple Watch, it seems that the company is working on another competitor for its own iPhone. There are some patent files that show a foldable smartphone that folds in the middle, sort of like the rumors of what we saw with the possible Moto Razr update. And you have to remember the fact that when Apple launched the iPhone, and even in previous attempts to make a smartphone foldable, the whole clamshell design to smartphones was common, so it would make a lot of sense for the company to figure that part out. We just wonder what the Apple way will be here. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with yet more leaks of what to expect from Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked. We saw recent leaks that there might be a ceramic variant. It seems that now we find another color option today. We also hear strong rumors that the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage might actually happen. But then apparently there is the Galaxy wearable application that it seems pretty much just spilled the beans on stuff like the Galaxy Active. Though I'm not sure about that one. I know that it did leak stuff like the Galaxy Buds, if that's also going to happen, and even a possible Galaxy Fit. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think about this portfolio of products? I mean, do you think that it's a good idea or not? Because in my case, Samsung really needs to stretch as much as they can, and I feel that this is a smart approach, but that's my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.